Ever wondered if you should invest in gold? It's a question that has intrigued investors for generations. Gold has always been seen as a safe haven, a tangible asset that you can hold in your hand. Its luster and weight have been symbols of wealth and security for thousands of years. Or perhaps you're considering jumping onto the cryptocurrency bandwagon. This digital revolution has taken the financial world by storm, offering new opportunities and challenges. But how do you decide which is the better investment for you? Let's break it down and explore the key differences between gold and cryptocurrency. Gold is tangible. You can hold it, feel its weight, and it's been a trusted store of value for over 5,000 years. From ancient civilizations to modern economies, gold has been a symbol of wealth and stability. Its physical presence provides a sense of security that digital assets can't match. It's the go-to in times of economic uncertainty. When markets are volatile and currencies are unstable, investors often flock to gold as a safe haven. Its value tends to hold steady, providing a buffer against financial turmoil. During financial crises, gold's appeal as a stable investment becomes even more pronounced. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is digital. It exists only in the virtual world, created and stored electronically. Unlike gold, you can't touch or hold it, but it offers a different kind of value. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have introduced a new way of thinking about money and transactions. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. This decentralization is one of the key features that attract many to cryptocurrencies. It offers a level of freedom and autonomy that traditional financial systems can't provide. Transactions are verified by a network of computers, making it resistant to censorship and interference. It's the product of blockchain technology, offering transparency and security. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This technology ensures that transactions are secure, transparent, and immutable. It's a revolutionary way of handling data and has applications far beyond just cryptocurrencies. Gold's value is relatively stable, but can fluctuate with market demand and geopolitical events. While it is generally seen as a stable investment, its price can be influenced by factors such as inflation, interest rates, and political instability. Understanding these factors can help investors make informed decisions about when to buy or sell gold. Cryptocurrency? It's known for its wild price swings. High risk, high reward. The value of cryptocurrencies can change dramatically in a short period, driven by market sentiment, technological developments, and regulatory news. This volatility can offer significant opportunities for profit, but also comes with substantial risks. Both have their pros and cons. Gold offers stability and a long history of value, while cryptocurrency offers innovation and the potential for high returns. Each has its unique characteristics that appeal to different types of investors. Gold is traditional, safe, and universally recognized. Its value is understood and accepted worldwide, making it a reliable store of wealth. It's often used as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, providing a sense of security in uncertain times. Crypto is innovative, volatile, and has potential for high returns. The rapid growth and adoption of cryptocurrencies have created new opportunities for investors willing to take on the risk. The technology behind cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, offering new ways to engage with the financial system. So, which is better? It all depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you prefer stability and a long track record, gold might be the better choice. If you're looking for innovation and are willing to accept higher risks for the potential of higher rewards, cryptocurrency could be more appealing. Diversification could be your best bet. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can balance risk and reward. A mix of gold and cryptocurrency might provide a well-rounded portfolio that leverages the strengths of both. Gold, crypto, or a bit of both. The choice is yours. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Whether you choose the timeless appeal of gold or the cutting-edge potential of cryptocurrency, make sure your decision aligns with your overall investment strategy.